back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. I think it's been maybe like a couple of weeks, but life happens, and it's not because I wanted to stop or, you know, like I just got lazy and I didn't want to do any videos, but a lot of stuff has happened and a lot of stuff is changing. So that's the reason I don't feel comfortable right now like telling you guys everything that I've been through, that we've been going through. But for now, here's this video, here's this look. I know this look might not be for all of you guys, but you know, just kind of go with the flow. If you guys are interested in knowing how I came up with this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already went in and did my brow and I did apply my base. What I used for my base was these two concealers from Morphe. I've talked about it before on my previous videos, and you guys, these concealers are so good. They're one of my favorites at the moment. Then I am going to be taking the James Charles palette, and I'm going in with this matte purple shade. And then the brush that I will be taking is this one, the Morphe M562. As you guys can see, it's really small, but I like it because it gets really detailed into my crease. So I'm placing this purple inside my crease. I'm bringing it out just a little bit. So once you kind of just shape out your shape that you're going for, then you can start adding a little bit more shadow, because I do want to take this purple a little bit higher. The next shade I will be taking is going to be this brown. Going back in with that purple and taking the same brush. Just going to blend everything together. Kind of just going back and forth. It does take patience and time. Taking that brown shade again. Like I said, it's a going back and forth game. Okay, so once I have everything a little bit more blended, I am going to be taking this Morphe concealer. Just applying it down here. So then you just want to start blending everything little by little and make sure you don't take it all the way up there. Okay, so once I have everything blended, I will be taking the purple again with the flat brush. And just applying it onto my lid. I'm not bringing the purple all the way up here just because all this part is blended. I'm just mainly focusing right here on my lid. For my eyeliner, I will be using this NYX yellow one. Okay, so once I have that, I will be adding my gold flakes up here. Kind of doing like a cut crease, but with gold flakes. For my foundations, I will be mixing these two. For my concealers, I will be mixing the Morphe one and then the Fit Me concealer in the shade number 20. I will be contouring, or not contouring, I'm just gonna bronze it up a little bit. And this is my first time using this one, the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm a little scared because I don't know if it's happened to you guys sometimes that you try out like, you know, a bronzer, like a blush, and it's like so hard to blend out. Like it just sticks on there and it doesn't blend out. It's happened to me before. It's actually a really pretty color. And it blends out really good. I've been gaming, oh my god. I've been gaining a couple of pounds, as you guys can tell on my face. And I know you guys can tell because as soon as I start gaining pounds, this part right here, la papada, hijo, it looks like a gobble gobble. I feel like I want to go a little bit darker than this, so I am going to apply. It's a really pretty color, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, for this look, I just feel like I need to go a little bit darker. So I am taking this one, the Pure Cosmetics Mineral Glow Bronzer. Lately, I don't know why, but I've been loving blush. I know there was a time that I had stopped using it completely, and I stopped using, I was gonna say concealer, highlight, but I started using highlight again. I don't use it all the time, but I did start using it again. I don't know, I just feel like with some looks, it complements it really good. And then with some looks, it's just like no highlight. I'm taking this one. Okay, so now I'm taking that purple again and just applying it right under that yellow. I feel like Beauty and the Beast with these color combinations. Going in with that brown. For my inner corner, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight and then some glitter. The glitter I will be using is going to be this one from Sasha's Vanity. And it looks like this. It's a really pretty color. It's kind of like a rose gold undertone. And if you guys want as well, you guys can go ahead and use my code. My code for this one is Ruby10. So yeah, I can save some money on some beautiful glitters. I really like these glitters. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I know this video wasn't as detailed as the ones before, the ones that I've done, but you know, it's been almost like, I think a little over 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks that I haven't uploaded a video. You know, I just gotta get back in that routine of uploading, editing, doing all that good stuff. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.